Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to install Notepad++. So first, fire up your web browser, search for Notepad++, click on download Notepad++ version 8.6.2, click on download. Save the executable file and open it once done. Feel free to close your web browser. You can select your preferred language. I'm going to go with English. Click OK and click on next. Click on I agree and you can browse the folder where you want to install this and then click next, and you can choose which plugins you want to install along with it. I'm just going to go with the default. Click on next and click on install and then click finish. There you go guys, you have successfully installed Notepad++. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching.